ChatGPT is everywhere these days. But did you know that there are plenty of other AI tools that can help supercharge your productivity at work? In this video, we'll uncover 5 hidden gems to help you unlock the potential of artificial intelligence and take your work to the next level. AI can do some pretty amazing stuff. But while writing tools and photo generators seem to get all the buzz, there are plenty of other ways that AI can jumpstart your creativity and save you time on repetitive tasks at work. Here are 5 AI-powered productivity tools to try out for yourself. Number 1, our top pick for daily emails. If you've ever spent 10 minutes rewriting a basic email that should have taken 2 seconds, Flowrite might be your new go-to. Simply feed in a few snippets of what you're trying to say, and Flowrite will handle the structure, grammar, and professional tone. Number 2, presentations. For years, presentations equaled PowerPoint. But now there's a new answer. Beautiful.ai is an app that allows you to type a prompt and let AI generate a basic structure for your presentation. Then you can add in your information and watch the program automatically reformat the spacing so your presentation looks great with less effort. Number 3, best for research. Google search has brought us a long way, but now Genie is out of the lamp. This tool searches web pages and PDFs and then summarizes the relevant information and categorizes it as notes. Genie can even copy over charts and visual aids to help you make the most of your research. And number 4. Otter has been around for a number of years as an AI-powered transcription service, which it still does quite well. But what's even more exciting is the recent addition of its meeting transcription service. Simply connect it to your work calendar, and Otter will join the call and begin taking notes automatically. It's perfect for recording client meetings, interviews, or if you're just running a few minutes late and want to know what happened before you got there. And number 5, best for concentration. My last pick is my personal favorite, Brain.fm. This app for iPhone and Android uses targeted music to boost productivity. You can choose from categories like focus, relax, or sleep, and then choose a time duration, and the app automatically generates music to get you into that flow state. These AI tools are just some of the hundreds available, with new ones popping up every day. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these or if there's another one that's been a game changer for you at work. And make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more productivity tips and career advice.